In this meditation, we're going to work with a brilliant energy called the orange-red flame of purification to help cleanse our auric field of anything that is disturbing or distressing us in any way. To begin this meditation, sit comfortably in a chair with your back straight, your feet flat on the floor. See yourself in a golden sphere of protective light. You're feeling very safe in this meditation. Take a couple of deep breaths to feel your divine center. And now also envision above your head, about 2 feet, a golden white sun, and that this brilliant orange-red light is flowing from that part of you. We'll begin now with a simple invocation. Heavenly Father, Holy Mother, God, we raise our consciousness into Thy consciousness, where we become one with Thee. We ask to receive that which we need and that which we need to know now. Hold your attention in that golden white sun above your head. This is your higher self point of spiritual knowing. You are standing on sacred ground. Let go of all cares or concerns. And now we request that you downray the brilliant, purifying, orange-red flame. Seeing it flowing down to that golden sun above our head in a burst of light, and then downraying it into our auric field to purify the aura of any spiritual toxins, any negative energy, and dissolve all of that deep in the mineral kingdom to be reconstituted in the light. As this light gently flows in, it blesses, goes into the physical head, into our mental chakra point, the nucleus of our conscious thinking mind, to purify our mind of all mental confusions, illusions, and delusions, superimposed, distorted, or upside-down pictures, cleansing any mental bombardments or impingements from the outside world of any type, freeing the mind of any distresses, any mentally disturbing pictures. Feel now that orange-red flame outraying in all directions, taking those negative energies, dissolving them in the mineral kingdom in Thy light. And then downraying this orange-red flame to the chakra point in our throat center. Here, purifying the words we speak, any words that were not in the divine light. Angry words, frustrated words, upset words, anxious words, anything that we are aware of that was not healthy, to dissolve it now in this orange-red flame. Releasing, releasing, releasing. And if anyone spoke unkindly to us, and we accepted those words, to release those vibrations as well. Freeing this throat center. And then from here, to downray this light to our heart chakra in the middle of the chest, also called the Hermetic Center. This is the energetic nucleus of all our personal world affairs. Everything going on in our life right now is making an energetic connection here. And let this orange-red flame of purification outray in all directions, purifying persons, places, things, conditions and situations, and conditions that constitute the situation, releasing any obstacles in our path, any heaviness in our heart. If we feel like we're carrying the world's woes on our shoulders, we let that all go in this holy light. And then to downray the orange-red flame to a chakra point by our navel, our emotional center, the energetic nucleus of our feeling nature, purifying the emotions, any emotional distresses, anywhere we're upset or angry or frustrated or resentful for whatever reason, justified or not. If it's creating a negative energy in the emotional nature, we ask this orange-red flame to release it. We release it now and ask that that negative energy be dissolved in the mineral kingdom, in the light. And thank you now as this orange-red flame outrays through the physical body. And here, to purify the body of any spiritual toxins, any buildup of negative energy anywhere in the organs, functions, cells of the body. And if we are going through any healing right now, to release any point of distress, any illness vibrations in the body, let that orange-red flame gently touch into those areas to cleanse and release those toxins through the soles of the feet into the mineral kingdom. And we thank thee that this is so, as this energy outrays through the whole auric field, even beyond the auric perimeter, as one body and thy body of divine purification. And now, to complement this work, we're making a request of a second energy, to downray to each of us the electrifying blue-white fire, to charge and recharge the auric field in new life force and healing power. All that was released with the orange-red flame, we now ask that you replenish with the blue-white fire, this nourishing, life-giving power. Thank you as it downrays to that golden sun above our head in a burst of light, and then down to the auric field to charge and recharge our aura in new life force. gently going into the mental center in our physical head to refresh the mind, to charge and recharge all the mental processes going on right now, reinvigorating the mind, giving us the strength, the stamina, the power, the mental power we need in this electrifying light. And then to downray the blue-white fire into the throat center, the power of the words, to replenish the words so that we are speaking in the glorious tones of spirit, spiritual tone, vital, strong, life-affirming. And then to downray this blue-white fire to our heart chakra and outray into all the world affairs, charging and recharging our heart center in the blue-white fire. If there's been anything that has been weighing heavily upon us, any sense of sadness or depression or frustration, to feel all of that lifting now. Lifting in the holy light of this blue-white fire, to give us new life force in all of our activities, everything related to our job, our finances, our relationships, are now blessed in this life force energy so that we can accomplish, we have the power to accomplish everything we came here to do. Then to downray this light to the emotional center, blessing the emotions, uplifting them, charging and recharging them. If there is any emotional exhaustion, any emotional healing that's needed, to feel wonderfully recharged in this blue-white fire light, to let this holy energy move through the emotional life stream, so that we feel vibrant emotionally, expressive, healthy, and strong. And then we ask that the physical body be blessed in this life-giving fire of spirit, to charge and recharge the body in new life force, every organ, every function, everything going on in this physical body. And wherever there may be any healing needed in the physical body, that the healing quality of the blue-white fire soothe and heal any troubled areas. And thank you as this energy outrays through the whole auric field as truly one body and thy body of divine life force. As we finish this meditation now, you're feeling the light equalizing through all of your consciousness. You are feeling grounded and grateful for everything that you have received. And now, in that gratitude, you go on with your day with all this power to employ. So be it.